My name is Elsie Catimay, English 3 teacher Rubén Mauricio Muñoz. Hi, Sophia. How are you? Hi, Daniela. Very good. Go is she Sophia? Maria is my sister. Live in the city? No. He who's visit. She lives in Tunja. Two things he equals place. If it is, my sister loves it. Let's go to the movies. Take your sister. Okay, good. Which movie that you want to see? What would like to see horror movies? I'm sorry, but I don't like horror movies. I say, let's say her I insist to request let's do your things. Perfect. Do you want boxer? I don't like his baby purpose and so. Okay. I'm coming. I go to taste parrots. How did you think of the movies, Daniela? Is scary my lips. Found it once super. Daniela, why had you buy? Very queers and seduce demons. Thank you.